Hey guys, it's Miss P. Clearly you have made it to Friday, woohoo, which means you are ready to learn about the primary source journal project that you're going to be working on as we go through this process together. So essentially, if you got to the end of your slideshow, this document is also an assignment in Google Classroom. It's called My Primary Source Journal 2020, and here are your directions. This is your primary source journal. We spent the week of April 13th through 17th learning what a primary source is and why they are important. A primary source journal is a journal that is created at the time of an event with first-hand information. An example of a primary source journal would be the diary that Anne Frank kept while she was hiding from the Nazis during the Holocaust. This document will be a place for you to record your own thoughts, feelings, and experiences as you go through the 2020 global pandemic that we are currently experiencing. Your words could be essential to future historians looking to understand what it was like to be a middle schooler living through a pandemic. You can write in this journal as much as you want, but you will be expected to record in here at least once a week. You can also choose to keep your journal in a notebook and take pictures to share with me so I know that you're writing each week. Some resources if you're feeling stuck. These first two links are some really cool journal prompt ideas, things that could spark your creativity. This is a link about the benefits of journaling, and this video explains how to keep adding rows to a Google table. So if I know some of you get stuck on that sometimes, so in case you forget, it's right there. And here are your reminders. Write in your primary source journal each week. Share your current thoughts, feelings, and experiences. An entry must be at least 3 sentences long, so you're writing 3 sentences a week at a minimum. And use the resource bank for prompt ideas and technology help. And here are some questions that you can ask yourself while you're journaling. How am I feeling today? What did I do today? What am I thinking about? What am I worried about? What am I looking forward to doing after quarantine is over? How is the pandemic affecting me or my loved ones? What am I learning from this experience? What will I never forget about this experience? So if you wanted to do your first entry today, you would go ahead and write down that today is April 17th, 2020. The time for me right now is 12:30. And I might start to write down how I'm feeling today. Today I'm feeling a bit tired because I have run out of the tea that I usually drink. I don't want to go to the store unless it is absolutely necessary to help keep people safe. This is one way I have been impacted during the pandemic. So that would be, at a minimum, 3 sentences about how I'm feeling today and how I'm being impacted. I use some of the questions from this list over here. And then you'll at least do one of these each week, but you can do them as much as you want. I hope that you understand the primary source journal task. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks so much.